How to download Snapchat data. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can download your Snapchat data. So first, go ahead and launch your Snapchat application, log into your account, tap on the profile picture icon or the avatar icon in the top left corner, then tap on the gear icon to go to settings. Scroll all the way down in the settings and tap on My Data, that is between saved login info and account. Here you will see the list of the data that you can go ahead and request to download. There is the option of exporting your memories, chat media, and shared stories, or the JSON files, your user information, chat history, spotlight, shopping, support history, ranking and location, memories and other media, and others that include your lenses, selfie and cameos, payouts, Snap AI, and countdowns. Select the form of data that you want to download and tap on Next. After that, Snapchat will prepare your data and email you a download link. This may take a few hours. You can then open the email and download your data as a zip file. Your downloaded data includes saved snaps, chats, story history, and account information. Deleted or expired snaps may not be included. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.